Juang kodong mana juma chiel kende mondo mi sikunde oyao ipachokae sirkand kaunti ma Homa Bay ochwalo omenda mag basari maromo $200,000 ne sekta mar somo. Koloso gavana ma kaunti ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga osingo mar bero sekta mar somo ahinya somb nyithindo manyiri e kinde ma midhiero mag hiemo hiu ogotache kaunti ma Homa Bay. Nyithindo maromo 500 noyudo omenda makamano madhi konyogi e weche mag somo.
What's his name?
Of 215 million shillings in bursaries and scholarships. Within the next 5 days, we will be distributing this to our children who are going back to school. This is part of our bursary program that we do every year. Yeah, so we hope that we will have 32,000 beneficiaries of the bursaries and 500 beneficiaries of the scholarship.
It's upon you to misuse it or use it correctly, and you will achieve your goal. So try as much as you can to utilize the opportunity given by Her Excellency to excel in school and shape your future.